Welcome home to 519 EDMONSON Ferry Court. This lovely ranch home has been completely renovated and sits in a quiet cul-de-sac just minutes from Liberty Park. Sit and relax on this quaint covered front porch. This spacious great room has a tray ceiling and hardwood flooring. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen. It has new cabinets, appliances and countertops. Here is another view looking toward the dining area. The dining room also has hardwood flooring. There is a tray ceiling in the large master suite. The master bath has upgraded fixtures. And there is plenty of storage space in the walk-in master closet. There are 2 additional bedrooms. Both are very spacious. This full hall bath with updated fixtures is shared by the secondary bedrooms. The utility or mudroom is located just off of the kitchen and has additional cabinets for storage. Take a look at this brand new deck just off of the mudroom. This view of the back of the home shows the new deck and the patio area. Here is a closer look at the patio. It's the perfect space for a barbecue. This home also has an oversized concrete drive. The home has a great level lot with a tree line. This is a great home and it's ready for its new owners.